Hello there. Today I'm going to show you how to use PHP programming language to produce a barcode. Something like this. This is a common EAN barcode with 13 digits, which is a very popular format to use in goods and anything that has a barcode. So how to do this in PHP? I borrowed some codes from GitHub. As I said, this is a GitHub. I also put my original file, the modified code here in this GitHub. So you can actually access this one and get my code under here. And this is the original, I think it's a Germany programmer who actually created this source code. So let's go to the code. I divided the code into a few parts. So this is the first function. The first function here is very straightforward. This variable code is 13-digit barcode. That's a digit only that we generated using program before. So we just passed in code here. So obviously this is a variable that it changes its value every time the barcode is printed. So then we go to this function, which is here. And this function is basically used to generate the bars and the picture and the digits. And here we can see that from here to here is to draw the lines, drawing the lines of the barcode. And here there's a create text. Because my text is already being formatted, so there's no need to use this function. So I commented out all this part. So I just pass the code as the original numbers. Then we go to here. Here is the most important part. It's actually to print or to draw the barcode. So here we have the bars from the previous function. We get the bars and we get the text. So now we have to set a font. Here we set the bar color. Obviously this is black. And the background used to display, which is white. As you can see in this example. So the white background and some black lines. Okay. And here's the text color also in black. Text color, that means the digits. So after we set this, and this is the scale, whatever, this remain unchanged. I haven't touched all this. And this obviously is the width and height, if you want to change it. So this is the main part here. Paint the bars. And also I didn't touch the bars, which is perfectly working for me. The problem comes here actually when we write out the text. When we write out the text here, the text appear here. First time we cannot generate the text. It's just a blank, just white background here without any digits. So by carefully checking about the code, I actually rewrite this area. Rewrite that. And the most important thing is here. The font, you need to have a TrueType font. This is a TrueType font. You have to download it from the internet and you copy it into the directory where this PHP file is located. And by adding dir here, which means the current directory, the current directory where this PHP file is located. I put it in the same directory. So you must put it in this way in order for the PHP program to find the TrueType font. Otherwise, as I said before, you couldn't get the digits displayed. And here is a very simple function. I actually split the letters, the digits, so that we have some space here, just to allow for the lines there. So I just add some blank space in between, so make it look a bit nicer. So here, this is the function. I just adding some space here. And this is the main command to print the text, image to TTF text. And this is the image file. This is the barcode. And this is 24 is the font size. Obviously, all these figures you can adjust yourself. This controls the positioning of the letters here. By changing it, you can see the actual position of these digits. So this is my setting. Okay, then the font and the text. The text is the barcode. It's got the digits itself, and that's it basically. And the last command is to print out the image in PNG format. So I just name it as barcode. So this is it. So I've put all this code, as I said, in my GitHub here, and you can actually download it and use it freely. So thank you very much if it helps.